In this episode, we're looking at some language arts. Can you prove it? And we're looking at fact or opinion. So here are our objectives. Identify facts and opinion and explain why each is a fact or opinion. Examine facts and opinions as a foundation to be able to extend text we read by relating to them ideas, events, and opinions. Now, taking a bite. Are you able to tell when a statement is a fact or opinion? Here are two statements about the blobfish. Read them and indicate which is a fact and which is an opinion by choosing the correct word at the end of each sentence. Share your choices with a partner. The blobfish is made up of jelly-like substance and has almost no muscle. Fact or opinion? Alright. It's awful that the blobfish is endangered because of harmful fishing trawlers. Fact or opinion? Okay. Now, let's go. I would want to think, you see, that this one, the first one, is a fact, right? And then this one, it's awful, is an opinion. Why? It's awful kind of gives me the sense that I am telling you how I feel about something, while I can actually find out if it has no muscles at all, right? I can read a book about it or something, right? But let's explore now and see if I am correct. Fact and opinions. Let's explore. Read through the following information with a partner. So if you're at home, you can read this to a brother, a sister. You can read it to a dolly or a pillow. Okay. A fact is a statement that can be proven true, while an opinion is a statement that cannot be proven true. Facts can be confirmed by checking books or reliable sources. If a fact is about a person, you can ask that person whether the fact is true. The same does not go for an opinion. For example, 1. Mystery novels are the most exciting books to read. Ask yourself, is this a statement that can be proven true? No, so it's an opinion. Number 2. My new backpack cost me only $35.99. Well, this must be US. This would not be Jamaican money. Ask yourself now, is this a statement that can be proven true? Yes, I can ask the person who bought the backpack how much it cost. I could also look at the receipt. This statement is a fact. Now, here are some signal words. So, fact and opinion, signal words. Fact signals, numbers, photographs, statistics, verification, records, eyewitness. Now, when we see these things, they are signaling that facts are to come. What about the opinion signals? I think, okay, that's one. I believe, probably, should, good, bad, subjectivity. Deciding if a statement is fact or opinion. Read the text carefully and make sure you understand the question. Find the statement in the text and underline it. Ask yourself if the statement could be checked by research. If it can be checked and is correct, it is a fact. If it is something the writer simply believes is true, it is an opinion. Then consider all possible answers and make your own decision. Activity. Place these statements in the appropriate column. Allow someone to check your answer. The barking spider doesn't really bark, but its bite does cause several hours of vomiting. Let's go with that one again. The barking spider doesn't really bark, but its bite does cause several hours of vomiting. Fact or opinion? Look at it. Now, can I read in a book and find out if there's such an animal or thing called a barking spider? Okay. Can I find out whether its bite really could cause someone to experience vomiting? All right. So the barking spider is a type of tarantula and typically catches insects in addition to lizards, frogs, and small birds. Okay. Let's test what we have learned. Read each of the following sources, then complete the table that follows. School should not ban junk food. I say no because think about the kids who love junk food. They would hate that and be sad, and you would not want that, would you? Also, junk food has sugar in it, and without sugar, they will be like zombies every single day. Now, is this a source, a factual source? Or is this an opinionated source? Let's look for the signal words. Do we see any signal words? I say so because, think about it, we're thinking. Let's see if we see any other signal words. No, but we get the sense that this person thinks this way. All right, source 2. Everyone eats food. Some people eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Others may eat more or less meat, and some people may eat healthy, but others do not. All of this is related to nutrition. Nutrition is the process of how people get food that is needed to grow strong and healthy, along with obtaining necessary vitamins and nutrients to help bodies grow and function. All right, and then we're asked now to make a table with columns labeled sources, fact, opinion, reason. All right, so you're supposed to put that in. So let me read this one again. Everybody eats food. Some people eat lots of fruit and vegetables. Others may eat more or less meat, and some people may eat healthy, but others do not. All of this is related to nutrition. Nutrition is the process of how people get food that is needed to grow strong and healthy, along with obtaining the necessary vitamins and nutrients to help bodies grow and function. So, you need now to create your table. Remember that a table has rows and columns, and it says here columns, and the column should be labeled sources, fact, opinion, and reason. So you need to say why you think this one is a fact or opinion, or that's source 1, and then source 2, why you think source 2 would be a fact or an opinion. All right. So let's go back now. In this episode, what were we doing? We were trying to prove it. Prove what? To prove if certain statements are facts or opinions. And here we got from this little section that a fact is something that we can prove, and an opinion is more or less what we feel about a particular thing. All right, take care, answer your questions, create your table, and I will see you in the next episode.